कृषि जागरण जो नुआ पदक्षेप स्टार्ट होती MOFI 2024 मिलियन फार्मर ऑफ इंडिया अवार्ड ये बहुत सारा फार्मर एकाठी होती और बहुत सारा एक्जिबिटर स्टॉल लगे तो चलते जो गोटे स्टॉल विषय में कथबार्ता हवा। सर आपको नमस्कार। तो आप अपने स्टॉल और अपने ड्रोन के बारे में थोड़ा कुछ बताएंगे हमारे दर्शकों को?
Sure, ma'am. First of all, good morning, everyone. Hello, ma'am. Thanks for the giving opportunity to us. This is actually from IoTech World Navigation. This drone name is AgriBot. AgriBot is India's #1 drone, and this is the one drone which received India's #1 DGCA type certificate also. This is like we have received the first DGCA type certificate for the drone sector. This is a 10-liter capacity tank. It comes under a medium category, AgriBot MX. Lithium, we use lithium ion battery which is having 500 cycles. Normally many competitors are using like lithium polymer which is up to 250 cycles only. And we have many features like radars. This is like ADAS radar which detects the collision avoidance. It detects the collisions, any objects, and it moves from the object. Also, the special feature of the drone is not only detecting the object but also reroutes. And this is radar, terrain radar, which maintains the height between crop canopy and the drone. And this is India's only 7-inch touch screen and also rugged GCS, which we call remote. It is having 5G connectivity, and it is also having 1.5 radius connectivity, 1.5 kilometers that it can connect to the drone. And not only this thing, our company is also into components. In India, there is that only one company, which is IoTech World Navigation, not only manufacturer of the drone, but also we are indigenized completely, and also we manufacture our own components in India itself. Like now we are 95% of completely made in India, which we are not only these things, there are many other things I want to tell you, like we'll go there. This is the app, AgriNet app. This acts as a like Uber of this. Like it connects both the service provider and also the farmer who is in required of the spray. And this is our manufacturing unit at Gurugram, Sector 35. We have R&D team, we have D&D, and also complete manufacturing setup with full 24/7 customer support also. We have pan-India sales and service network also. So anywhere, any problem, single solution we will be providing them, and any issues, our operations team will be concentrating on that and will get solved all the things. And not only these things, like I want to tell you many other things. For example, it is very hard to carry a drone. So we have created our own bike model, like bike model where we can carry very easily, portable bike model, and also we have backpack model along with the bike model. So not only these things, there are many other things, like this is having the 10-liter capacity, and which can cover 10 liters in 1 acre in just 7 minutes, 6 to 7 minutes. Also like it can spray from 25 to 30 acres per day. This is like favorite drone for the farmers, I can say.
Sir, ये यूज कैसे करेंगे फार्मर में?
Sir, ma'am, before I told you, farmer usually purchase the drone. They take the RPTO training from us. We have our own RPTO, which is Remote Pilot Training Organization, and also we have tie-ups with Pan India with everyone, all the DGCA approved RPTOs. So firstly they purchase the drone from us. They take the RPTO training, and in training they will be getting 9 days of complete and full knowledge about the drone and how to fly them. It covers both the theory and also practical also. So there they come to know how to fly the drone and how to use the drone to the full level. And in that training they will be teaching like every component and everything, how it helps the drone. For example, like what will be the distance between the drone and connectivity range, how to use AgriNet app, all the things they will be knowing. So like even we have multilingual option also, where a person from the village can use in his own regional language. This is like programmed in that way. We also have self-indigenized or inside like from like complete software is also ours. We have IoTech drone system. So like this is like, it is very easy to use.
तो थैंक यू सर अपना टाइम देने के लिए हमारे लिए और हमारे दर्शकों को बहुत सारी चीज़ सीखने को मिलने के लिए। तो थैंक यू।
थैंक यू मैम।